This is my day and nighttime skincare, my makeup, and those are the items which I'm almost using. So let me get all of them. A couple of the items which I have here are empty, but I decided to include them in this video in case if you don't watch my empties. In the morning I'm gonna wash my face, and it depends if I'm going to the gym or not. It can be either the Dove soap, it's nothing wrong with the soap, it does the job. Remove all the bad stuff, prepare your skin for the next step. Or this is LACURA, or should say all these skincare. This particular one, it's called LACURA Foaming Gel Cleanser, and that's the dupe for the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser, which they don't make it anymore. And I'm kind of sad, so I was happy when I found this. Unfortunately, it's empty, so now I'm not gonna be able to use it. And right now I have the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser with ceramide and niacinamide. If you're familiar with the CeraVe cleanser, which comes in a, let's call it white and green bottle, this is exactly the same except from La Roche-Posay. Then for the toner, this is only a package because I like the sprayer, but inside I have the MISSHA Time Revolution, which is a dupe for SK2. And yes, the sprayer is very fine, so maybe you can see it. The sprayer is very fine, so I'm just kind of refilling the bottle, but this is the last of the product which is inside, and then I will see what I will go with next. Then for a vitamin C serum, Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro treatment ferment with vitamin C. It is a good product, but it's not cheap, so that's the only minus. This is almost over. That's why you saw it laying down on the shelf, and instead I'm gonna go with the number 7 15% vitamin C. And yes, I used it in the past. I went through few bottles and I do like it. Then I think about it, the dropper goes all the way to the bottom, so you're gonna get every single drop of the product, and I like it. Most of the time I'm buying them when there is a sale, so at one time I'm gonna buy either 2 or 3 of them. Then since vitamin C can be sticky, I have the hyaluronic acid serum. This particular one is from FLOSLEK, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, hyaluronic acid and probiotics. I bought this one when I was in Europe, and I think I'm like halfway done. It's a gloopy serum, that's all what it is, which provides hydration. Then for the eyes is the ZIAJA goat milk eye cream for dry skin. It's simple, it does its job, there is nothing wrong with it. I went through multiples and I do like it. What I'm gonna put over it is the Nivea Day Cream. You know what, let me sit down because it's the Nivea Day Cream, most refreshing 24-hour moisture with vitamin E. I wasn't sure about it because when I saw it I thought, yeah, it's gonna be heavy, but you know what, no at all. It's very light and it absorbs fast. It has a nice pleasant scent. I would say it's good for like the normal or even a combination skin. I do like it. Unfortunately, it's only SPF 15 and I purchased only one. However, I do have SPF from ZIAJA. That's their medical, section brand, with SPF 50 UVA, with UVA, UVB, and this one it's mattifying because there are 2 versions, one for hydration and the other, let's say, for mattifying for the oily and combination skin. I like it, similarly as with the other one. Here we go. It's very light and no it will not leave a white cast. And let me grab some kind of a towel so I can clean myself. Those are the items which I use for the day. You know what, let me separate them because there are some which I didn't talk about yet, and they are already here. Those are the items which I already talked about, and that's what's left. Okay, that was the daytime. This is a nighttime, and also some let's call it refills. Let's say nighttime, either I'm gonna wash my face, it can be the same cleanser, soap, and depending how does my skin feels, yes, I'm gonna go with the Clearasil, which it's for teenagers, but it has BHA, which is salicylic acid, and it's good for pores, rapid rescue, deep treatment pads, salicylic acid. I don't mind using it, especially now when it's really hot, and I do have a lot of blackheads, so hopefully this one can help out a little bit with it. Then all the better goodie, it's Advanced Night Repair, the night serum, which I've been using for years and years and years. Most of the time I have eye cream from the same line, but I ran out, so I have this, which is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Eye Balm, their magic cream. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm holding camera in the other hand, so it's not as easy. It's not heavy, it's kind of light. It provides hydration. I don't think it really smells. Hold on. No, it doesn't. I don't smell anything. Let me close it up. So after I'm gonna use the Advanced Night Repair, I'm gonna apply another serum. And currently, oh no, before that one, I was using this, which is the Nivea Q10 Regenerating Night Serum. It has consistency of like a light cream, light milk, comes with a pump. In fact, because of the texture, you can use it instead of a moisturizer. I was just layering it. And since that one is finished, I bring this one, which is the Evelyn Serum Shot with peptides and collagen. Okay, let's wait a little bit so I can show you how much is left. And then here we go, multi-peptides, rejuvenating, intended for mature skin, visible sign of yeah. Even though it says for mature skin, I was more concerned about the ingredients because ceramides are really good. And in fact, I never tried this one. Where I'm at, I think I'm a little bit somewhere up here. You know what, let me at least show you the concept. Do not run away from me. Yeah. Here we go. It's a runny, milky serum. So once I apply this, I'm gonna go with moisturizer. And currently, I'm trying to finish this, which is Palmer's Vitamin E Protect Renew Skin. I do like vitamin E, however, by itself can be really oily. And this particular one, has a mixture of different ingredients. Here we go, vitamin E. Protects against free radicals, healthier, younger looking skin. Good for scars, imperfection, damaged skin. So besides vitamin E, it has cocoa, sunflower seed oil, soybean oil, cocoa butter, coconut oil, macadamia oil, sweet almond, apricot oil, avocado. This, it's a nice, affordable product, which no, it's not oily, even though it has a lot of oils in it. You have what, 60 grams, which is 2.1 ounce. I like it, almost finished. Will I repurchase? Not at the moment, but if you're looking for something simple which works, check this one up. And instead, I have here two products. One is the Lipicar Balm Repair Moisturizing Cream from the La ROCHE-POSAY line. With this, La ROCHE-POSAY has a not lip products, body product, which comes in the same bottle as this. One it's a lotion, the other one is balm. So you have to be very careful and read it, because if you will not pay attention, you can mix them up because they look exactly the same. And yes, it did happen to me in the past. So I'm thinking if this is the one for the face or if this is the body product, but it's a small sample. Either way, I'm gonna give it a go, because La Roche-Posay, it's let's call it safe brand if you don't know what else to put on your skin, and it's a small size, so I don't mind finishing it. Then from Indeed, it's the Menopause Restorative Cream. No, I'm not in that stage yet. However, right now I live on the elevation and the air here, it's really dry, and I'm getting dehydrated more often. And when your body goes through menopause, your hormones are going crazy, crazy, crazy. So yes, your skin's gonna be dry. So I decided to give it a try and check this one up. It's a light lotion. It's not even greasy. And I don't know if it smells, because I try so many things on my hand that I don't really know what else is in there. But yeah, it's very light. What I have left here are those 3 items. Okay, skip the beauty sponge because it got here by accident. Alright, so in here I have the Black Girl sunscreen, which I went through a few of those in the past and I like it. It's a good sunscreen, doesn't leave white cast. This particular one is with SPF 30. There's also another one with SPF 50. And yeah, it's jojoba and avocado. In fact, you can use it instead of a moisturizer, depending on your skin type and where you at. And I know this one was almost over. Come on, I was trying to show it to you. Here we go. Yeah, if I smear it more, this thing's gonna disappear, but it is a good sunscreen. And then what I have left is the Fruit of the Earth Vitamin E Skincare Cream. Moisturize, soothes, protects, soften younger looking skin. It's a simple moisturizer which you can buy in a 2-pack. I went through a few of those, and yet this one it's almost over. I like it. It's a thicker moisturizer, but even if you're gonna apply a lot, your skin's gonna absorb it. Smells like sunflower oil, and I can easily apply it, a thick layer of it, like a mask, and this thing's gonna disappear. If your skin is suffering and it needs something, this one, it's a good product. So I can say this is something similar like this one, except this is lightened, this is heavier. Okay, where are the ingredients? Come on, focus, okay. Glycerin, vitamin E, aloe, vitamin A, coconut oil, sunflower oil. Yeah, I will have to focus really well. Either way, it's a big jar because you have, for us, 113 grams. And what do you, here we go. Skin amounts, vitamin E, aloe vera, wheat germ, sunflower oil, collagen, elastic, minimize sign of aging, hands, face, body, younger looking. So yes, it is a multi-purpose. I use it on my face and I like it. This is either like my 3rd or 4th jar, and it's one of those things which once I'm gonna go, or let's say finish what I have in my stash, I don't mind just repurchasing this as my moisturizer. Why? Because the most important thing is your serums, because that's your workhorse, and your sunscreen. Everything else can be cheap, like the cleanser, it's gonna go down the drain. What was it? Moisturizer, it's there just to seal everything else. But yes, I do like this product. Oh yeah, I didn't talk about this one. This I took it out. That's the Nivea Derma Clean with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and something else. I'm gonna start using this, some moisturizer. I'm gonna start using this at night because, yeah, my skin doesn't look so good. So yeah, I will report back to you about this, but I'm not going to be surprised if this is going to work similar to this one. And for years and years I was using the Paula's Choice 10% niacinamide, but that thing, it's not cheap, and also many companies, they come up with their own versions. And also I was in Europe, so I decided to try Nivea products which are not in here or are not available. Yes, I just put my finger into the cream again. I will have to close that thing. That's the backstory of why I have Nivea products. I'm working on finishing what I have so I can put them all together and make you a video. And for deodorant, I have one from Garnier for all skin, all colors, invisible protection 48 hours. So far it's okay. There are many versions of this product. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different, and let me know if you find with me making video in this format, or would you rather have me, or let's say, or would you rather have me being on the screen? Okay, see you in the next one. Bye for now.